My name is Saira. I want to tell you about my small and happy family. There are 3 people in my family. My husband Ayaan, our little son Zaid, and me. We live in a small home. It is not big or new, but it is full of love. We don't have many things, but we are happy together. Every day I wake up early in the morning. I go to the kitchen to make tea and breakfast. I like this quiet time. I can hear birds singing outside the window. I boil water, add tea leaves and cardamom, and the smell makes me feel warm. I make breakfast, usually boiled eggs and toast, and pack lunch for Ayaan. After some time, I hear small steps on the floor. It is Zaid, my 3-year-old son. He comes with his blanket and his small toy car. He rubs his eyes and says, "Mama, up." I pick him up and give him a big hug. His soft face makes me smile. Then Ayaan comes into the kitchen. He smiles and says, "Good morning." He hugs Zaid and kisses my forehead. Ayaan works at a hardware shop. He works hard, and even when he is tired, he smiles. He does not complain. He always wants to make us happy. We eat breakfast together. Zaid plays with his spoon and tries to talk. Ayaan and I drink tea and laugh at his funny words. After breakfast, Ayaan gets ready for work. I give him his lunch and he leaves. Zaid and I stand at the door to say goodbye. Ayaan always turns back and waves before he walks away. It's a small thing, but it makes me feel loved. After that, Zaid and I spend the day together. He plays with blocks and cars. Sometimes we go to the park. He likes the swing and says, "Mama, push me high." I laugh and say, "Fly like a bird." He laughs loudly. His laughter is the best music in the world. In the afternoon, Zaid takes a nap. While he sleeps, I do sewing work. I stitch clothes for neighbors and earn some money. It is not much, but it helps. I sit quietly near Zaid and sew clothes, thinking about the future. I dream of having our own small tailoring shop. I dream of sending Zaid to a good school. I dream of a better life, but I am also happy now. In the evening, Ayaan comes home. Zaid runs to the door and shouts, "Papa!" Ayaan lifts him up and says, "My strong boy." He comes to me and says, "I missed you." We sit together, drink tea, and talk. Then I go to the kitchen to make dinner while they play. Dinner time is special. We sit on the floor and eat together. Zaid tells us stories in his baby words. Ayaan tells me about work. We listen, laugh, and enjoy the food. Sometimes Zaid sings a song or shows us a drawing. He is very smart and full of ideas. One night, the power went out. It was dark and Zaid got scared. I lit a candle and held him close. Ayaan told him a story about a brave lion who saved his family during a storm. Zaid listened carefully and said, "Papa is the lion." I looked at Ayaan and smiled. He really is our lion, strong and loving. We don't have a lot of money. Sometimes it is hard to pay rent or buy everything we need, but we help each other. Ayaan works hard. I sew clothes. We save what we can. We don't buy many new things, but we give Zaid all our love. Zaid is a happy child. He hugs me and says, "You are my best friend, Mama." He draws pictures of our family and always puts a heart in the middle. I keep those drawings safe. They are my treasure. My family is my whole world. My husband is kind and hardworking. My son is sweet and full of joy. And I try to keep our home warm, clean, and full of love. We have dreams. We have problems too. But we are always together. And that is the most important thing. We may not have a big house or new clothes, but we have hugs, smiles, and laughter every day. That is what makes our life beautiful. This is my family, and I love it with all my heart.